What are we doing today?
We're changing the head valve gasket.
Yes. Okay, so look, throttle body is off, most lines. And then, yeah, before we go any further,
Like and subscribe.
yeah, let's get it.
It turns back on right now.
Okay, so look, we got the top power off thingamajiggy. What next?
Now we have to take off this cover right here.
Okay.
And underneath that, right here's the front valve.
Okay.
And then right there is the rear valve over there.
Okay.
On four inline engines, it doesn't have a rear.
Okay.
Only a front.
Yeah, because it's
Fun fact.
because it's a what?
Because it's a inline 4.
Yeah. All right, let's get it. So look, got the intake manifold off. He did it.
We might have to clean it.
Nah, you can. So now,
Oh, we need to cover the
so now it's exposed. Okay. But yeah, what he said, cover those holes. All right, so look, holes are covered. What now?
Now we gotta unscrew some more stuff.
Okay. All right, let's get to it. All right, so guys, took the harness off for the coil packs. Coil packs are out. You feel me? What next?
Now, don't know.
Damn, okay. We'll figure it out. All right, guys, look, we got all the bolts out. Ready?
Ah, clean engine. Look at that clean engine.
Bro.
Now we do some gasket replacement work.
Bro, look. Ready? First time. Look at that. Ooh. Smells like dog food. Smells like dog food.
He's Asian.
But what? Ooh. Gatorade did not sponsor me for this video, guys.
Yeah,
don't look at this.
Don't not buy a Gatorade.
Gasket.
Alrighty.
Alright, guys, so look, we got the back out, bolts and everything.
Reset. You gotta reset.
Why?
Okay, you gotta open the hood.
Oh,
satisfying, and then
okay.
go.
Alright, guys, look, got it done. Well, we took all the bolts for the back off, as you can see.
Unplug everything.
Unplug everything.
So we're gonna go buy some tools and then clean the cover for this, and then do the back.
Hell yeah. Let's get it, guys. We're gonna go to our favorite store now, Harbor Freight. And
O'Reilly, psych.
AutoZone, yay. Alright, we're finna go now. Water. Alright, guys, look, he got that. And he's getting this from me. Pittsburgh torque wrench 3/8, because that's what we. And then we got the degreaser also. Yep, we're over here at Harbor Freight, of course. Shout out to them for real. Like, they give us everything right here. But yeah, I'm about to check out and go home, and then finish. Dude, shut your ass up. Guys, we made it back home. Eating some gummies. You feel me? But yeah, look. We're about to go get his phone now, so we got more time to record on this. But yeah. Basically, got some stuff, some goodies. Got the torque wrench. I'll unbox everything here for you while he's doing his thing. But yeah. Alright. He got some microfiber towel. He got these, dude. These were dope. They're only like 2 something a piece. I really needed that. And then he got a magnet plate to hold nuts, I guess, because he's gay as hell. But yeah. And then he got this for me. I needed it because mine is low-key kind of trash. But I mean, mine's better than this, of course. But I just needed another one, you know. So thank him for this. This is really dope. Let me unbox this real quick. Let me unbox a pocket knife with another pocket knife. I guess one day project isn't over. It's gonna be
one day extended.
Yes, sir. Anyone who wants a free valve cover, come get it.
Anybody who wants an extra Honda Accord V6 a PCV valve,
come get it.
Come get it. $1.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. Look, next day we got the valve cover back on, and yeah, This one's everything's already ready. Cold packages in. Everything's set. About to tighten this side up, the back side, and then we're gonna see. But yeah, we're basically almost done. So let's get the process almost done and over with. Shoot this time lapse. Alright guys, so look, both valve covers are on, and yeah, I'm about to just plug everything back on. So all these hoses and stuff, plug them back on. But yeah, job is almost done, so let's get it. So look, we got the intake manifold back on. He did it. And then now we're gonna put this lid back on, and we should be straight. Alright guys, so look, throttle body is back on, intake manifold is back on. I don't know what he's doing, but yeah, everything's basically back on. Tubes are all tight, and yeah, I'm about to put the air filter back on, and hopefully it starts up.
Free oil.
Free oil right there too. Let's get
5W20.
Yep, got everything back. Yep.
Is that
Let's see.
The little wire, the white wire?
Where?
The white wire right there.
Where?
Oh.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, straight.
Ready?
Yeah, guys, everything's ready. Let's see. Check it out. I just double checked it. Now let's start it up.
Say, stop.
Okay, let's see.
Ready?
Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh, that shit dead. We gotta jump it. Alright, look. Let's see now. It's been jumped. Ready? Hell yeah. What the fuck? What if his whole shit came off? Hell yeah, gang. We are good. We are in the clear. We are in the clear. Hell yeah. Up and running. Thank you guys for watching this video. And if you guys want to see more Honda, if you guys want to see more Honda, fuck, what's that word? More Honda activities, then like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on another one. Let's get it.